Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel with another video, and in this video we find the value of n, and the given is a raised to the power n plus b raised to the power n over a raised to the power n minus 1 plus b raised to the power n minus 1. This is a m between a and b. So let's start. This is a raised to the power n plus b raised to the power n over a raised to the power n minus 1 plus b raised to the power n minus 1. It's given that it's a am between a and b. Am is a arithmetic mean. So we know that the arithmetic mean between a and b, we write this as a plus b over 2. So it's given that this is a arithmetic mean between a and b. So this side is equal to a plus b over 2, because this is the formula of arithmetic mean, and we know that if we find the arithmetic mean of any two number, then we add these two numbers and divide this by 2. So this implies this whole part is equal to a plus b over 2. Now in the next step, we cross multiply. So this is a 2 times a raised to the power n plus b raised to the power n. This is equal to a plus b multiply a raised to the power n minus 1 plus b raised to the power n minus 1. Now in the next step, we multiply this 2 by a raised to the power n, then we get a 2 times a raised to the power n plus multiply this, we get a 2 times b raised to the power n. Now we multiply these two values, so multiply a by this, so we get a multiply a raised to the power n minus 1. Multiply this a by the second value, so we get a plus a multiply b raised to the power n minus 1. Now multiply this b by a raised to the power n, we get a plus b time a raised to the power n minus 1. Multiply this b by the second value, so we get a plus b time b raised to the power n minus 1. Now in the next step, we simplify this right hand side. So base is same, so we write this as a raised to the power, this power is a 1 plus this is a n minus 1. We copy the second term, a time b raised to the power n minus 1. We also copy this third value plus b time a raised to the power n minus 1. Look at this last term, the base is same, so we write this as a b raised to the power, this power is a 1, this is a plus n minus 1. In the next step, this is a plus 1, this is a minus 1, so this will cancel, we just get a raised to the power n plus we copy this value as this. We also copy this third value, and this plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel, we just get a b raised to the power n. And the left hand side is our 2 times a raised to the power n plus 2 times b raised to the power n. Now in the next step, we copy the left hand side 2 times a raised to the power n plus 2 times b raised to the power n. We subtract a raised to the power n and b raised to the power n on both sides of this equation. So we get a minus a raised to the power n minus b raised to the power n. Now right hand side is just a time b raised to the power n minus 1 plus b time a raised to the power n minus 1. Now we simplify this. This is a 2 times a raised to the power n. This is a minus a raised to the power n. So we get a just a raised to the power n. And look at this term, plus 2 times b raised to the power n minus b raised to the power n, we get a plus b raised to the power n. It's equal to, we copy this side, a time b raised to the power n minus 1 plus b time a raised to the power n minus 1. Now in the next step, we rearrange some values. So this is a time a raised to the power n. We shift this value b time a raised to the power n minus 1 to left hand side, so it's a minus b time a raised to the power n minus 1. It's equal to, this is a time b raised to the power n minus 1, so we shift this b raised to the power n. To right hand side, this is a minus b raised to the power n. And now look at this. We write a raised to the power n as a raised to the power n minus 1 plus 1. So this is a b time a raised to the power n minus 1. This is equal to time b raised to the power n minus 1 minus, we write this as b raised to the power n minus 1 plus 1. The next step, we use this exponent property, which is a raised to the power n plus m. This is equal to a raised to the power n multiply a raised to the power m. So we use this property on this term. So we write this as a raised to the power n minus 1 multiply a raised to the power 1, which is also equal to just a. And this is a b time a raised to the power n minus 1. It's equal to, we copy this value as it is. Now if we apply this property on this last term, so this is a b raised to the power n minus 1 multiply b. Look at this side. A raised to the power n minus 1 involved in these two terms. So we factor out a raised to the power n minus 1. The remaining value is a minus b. It's equal to, look at this, b raised to the power n minus 1 involved in these two terms. So we factor out b raised to the power n minus 1. The remaining value is a minus b. Now a minus b is in left hand side and it's also involved on right hand side. So this will cancel. So we just get a raised to the power n minus 1. This is equal to b raised to the power n minus 1. Now on the next step, we divide this equation by a b raised to the power n minus 1 on both sides. So this will cancel, we just get a 1. A raised to the power n minus 1 over b raised to the power n minus 1. This is equal to 1. And in the next step, we apply the property of exponent, which is a over a raised to the power n over b raised to the power n. We write this as a over b whole raised to the power n. So we apply this property on left hand side. So this will become a over b whole raised to the power n minus 1. This is equal to 1. And we write this 1 as a over b raised to the power 0, which is also equal to 1. Now the base are same, so we can compare their exponent. So this implies n minus 1, this is equal to 0. And add a 1 on both sides, we get a n is equal to 1. And this is our final answer. The value of n in our question is 1. And we have done. Thank you.